guys, so today we'll be making a acai bowl. It is very healthy, very quick, and very easy, also inexpensive. So stay tuned for the video. I purchased the acai bowl packets from Publix. They were about 4 for $5, or you can check your local grocery store. So let's get started. In my blender, I'm gonna put my berry blend and my yogurt. Yogurt is optional, but it just gives it a creamy texture, but it's up to you. I would add the yogurt, add your choice of milk. I have almond milk on hand, that is what I'm going to use. There's not really measurements for this recipe based off of how thick or how smooth you want your acai bowl. After adding your acai packet, your yogurt, your fruit, and your almond milk, go ahead and blend that for a few seconds and make sure that it's the consistency that you want. If not, go ahead and add more fruit. You're gonna see that I've mixed that in together, and then I went ahead and added more fruit because I wanted it to be a little bit more thicker, but I also want it to be smooth, if you get what I'm trying to say. With this video, you can freeze your mixture at night and then de-thaw it in the morning, especially on a busy school or a work day. This is what I usually do, and I'll usually put in a cup and then take it with me to school. This is a very convenient breakfast option. You can put any toppings that you wish. You're gonna see all the toppings that I put in this video. As always, thanks for watching. See you all next time. Bye.